In this video, I'm going to show you how to find leads on Apollo.io. So first, go to the search section and now search for Lazada. Well, it's up to you, but to give you all an example, I'm just going to use the Lazada. And once you hit the enter, this will display the search result, which includes the leads that match your search terms. You'll see here the information like their name, job title, company, and location. And now, click on any lead that interests you to view more detailed information, such as their contact details and company profile. After that, once you've found the leads you want to reach out to, you can export them into a list for later use or connect with them directly. So in this case, I use this Amalia name to give you all an access. And now, as you can see here, we've seen the details of this person. Just simply click the add to list button once you're done reviewing its information. And yeah, that's it. That's how you find leads on Apollo.io. I hope this guide helps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.